This is Jeff Mucci with RCR Wireless News at Futurecom 2012 with Sanjay Bhatia. Sanjay, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Jeff.
So, years ago, Genband purchased some of the Nortel assets. Can you talk about the installed base that you have in Latin America and then move into the evolution of that TDM network to an IP network?
Absolutely, yeah. So what we have is we have about 200 nodes deployed in the Latin America region, and about over 35 or so customers. Those are both fixed and cable operators or MSOs. And so what we have done since all those acquisitions of Nortel's assets, right, is we have gradually started to migrate all of that install base to IP. And then actually with the integration with IMS of mobile and fixed networks, we are also offering best-of-breed IMS solutions as well as a simplified integrated IMS solution set.
Can you talk more specifically about the simplified IMS product? Where are you today? Has it been deployed? And what were some of the catalysts for clients deploying that simplified IMS?
Absolutely, yeah. So one of the challenges with IMS, depending on your deployed base and subscribers, the challenges are it gets complex to deploy in terms of how you integrate it with back office systems. And so what we have done is we have created a simplified integrated IMS approach utilizing our A2 communication server and our SBC products to create a much more simplified offer. And what's happening is in Latin America, we have some traction with that solution set, and we are about to announce next week a customer utilizing that very solution set.
When you say that solution set, can you give me a little more detail of what that includes? And again, what was the catalyst for them to make that transition?
Well, the transition is, again, if they've decided to go to IMS, right, we offer a seamless migration approach to either this integrated, simplified IMS approach, or if they have made the decision to go with a full-blown distributed IMS solution set, then we partner with our key partners for the core that offer the core IMS infrastructure, and we provide our best-of-breed IMS solution sets into that core to allow for that seamless migration to happen.
And where is Latin America, and more specifically Brazil, relative to starting to layer in, we use the term application services or application servers. Where are the carriers here, and where's Genband with respect to some of the application layer services?
Absolutely. So yeah, in Latin America, there's the movement and migration towards creating an application layered approach has already begun. There's also IMS deployments that have begun, which requires that applications layer and a services IP multimedia layer. And so that has begun, and Genband is participating in that in a very big way.
Can you give us any specifics?
Well, so we are about to announce next week some customer sets. This is a cable operator operating in multiple countries in Latin America, but since we're going to announce it next week, I'll hold off until then. So.
Right. Well, what are you seeing as some of the key challenges that carriers are going to face as they start deploying LTE?
Well, so as LTE gets deployed, right, today LTE deployments are first beginning for data.